started teaching ethics in the mid-1970s. You may know that the requirement of having ethics taught in law schools began in about 1974, and another fellow and I, Ron Rotunda, put together a casebook in professional responsibility, which was one of the first that there was in the field, and I've taught it for the last 35 years and written in it. Was a reporter for the ALI's project on the restatement of the law governing lawyers and the ABA's Ethics 2000 Commission. In terms of accreditation, we're talking about a proposal from the American Bar Association's section on legal education and admission to the bar, which is the body that actually does ABA accreditation. The big ABA doesn't. It's the section that does it. And they are proposing substantial changes that I would describe as deregulating the function of providing legal education, so that conceivably many more schools might start, and they would become significantly less uniform in what they were offering. The U.S. Department of Education has been putting pressure on accrediting bodies like the ABA to revisit their accreditation process. And there has been pressure from a group called the American Law Deans Association that has been asking for deregulation. And there is a sense, I think, in the ABA that things are changing so rapidly in the profession that perhaps they don't have a consensus on how to re-regulate in a consistent way. We have over 1 million lawyers today in this country. And in that kind of world, just to say I'm better than the other 999,000 isn't going to do it. The changes in the profession, the changes in the kinds of things clients demand, the changes brought about by technology, globalization, a number of different things are moving us much more into specialized roles, specialized things we do, and not and away from the idea that we all tend to be available for a variety of similar kinds of legal services. I think that perception is absolutely true. The question then becomes how you respond to it in legal education. I want to make very clear that the ABA is being cooperative in listening, and I'm working with a group from the Association of American Law Schools. I'm not speaking here with you or here in my talk for that association, but there are a number of groups that are trying to be involved and be helpful. We recognize the ABA has a number of pressures on them, and we just hope that together we can come out with some standards at the end of this review that everybody will be pleased with and proud of.